Hello teacher, my name is Ana María González Flores. A course 9A. I talk about Mexico. Mexico is a beautiful place. Location: Mexico is in Central America and the largest country in Central America. Population: Mexico has 126 million inhabitants and the most important city is the capital, Mexico City. Religion: the predominant religion in Mexico is Catholic and the Virgin of Guadalupe is the well-known. Tradition: traditional music is the played by mariachis is the highly appreciated throughout Latin America. History: the history of Mexico goes back the Aztec, a very important pre-Hispanic culture. Food: perhaps one of the greatest contributions to the world by Mexico is the creation of the tacos and burritos. Culture: the Day of the Dead is celebrated on November 2 is the hugely celebrated in the country. Thanks teacher so much and have a good day.